You think you know the world, right? We live in three dimensions of space: length, width, and height. And according to Einstein, a fourth dimension: time. We move through these every single day. But what if I told you there might be a fifth dimension? And it's not something out of a sci-fi movie. It's a real concept that some of the brightest minds in physics are seriously considering. So, let's break it down. Imagine a tiny ant walking along a tightrope. From our perspective, that ant is only moving forward and backward in one dimension, but for the ant, it can also move side to side around the rope. That side-to-side movement is a tiny, curled-up dimension that we can't easily see from far away. This is the basic idea behind the fifth dimension, proposed by physicists Kaluza and Klein back in the 1920s. They looked at Einstein's theory of relativity, which beautifully describes gravity, and they looked at another fundamental force of the universe: electromagnetism, the force behind light, electricity, and magnets. They were two separate, successful theories, but they didn't talk to each other. Then Kaluza had a wild idea. He thought, what if I add one more dimension of space to Einstein's equations? Just one. And when he did the math, something absolutely magical happened. Out of the equations for a five-dimensional universe, not only did he get Einstein's original theory of gravity, but another set of equations popped out completely on their own. And guess what they were? The equations for electromagnetism. It was mind-blowing. It suggested that gravity and electromagnetism might just be two different ripples in the same five-dimensional fabric of space-time. So where is this fifth dimension? The theory suggests it's like the ant's tightrope. It's curled up, incredibly tiny, smaller than an atom, looped back on itself. It's everywhere, at every single point in our familiar 3D space, but it's just too small for us to perceive or interact with directly. Think about it. If this is true, it means that the light from your phone, the electricity powering it, and the very gravity holding you to the Earth could all be manifestations of geometry in a higher dimension. It's a radical, beautiful idea that unifies two of the universe's most fundamental forces. And while we haven't proven it exists, yet scientists at places like the Large Hadron Collider are looking for clues. It completely changes how we see reality. We might be living in a universe far grander and more complex than our senses can tell us, with hidden dimensions all around us. What else might be hiding in plain sight?